Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear all students. I hope that you all are fine. Alhamdulillah. This is the time for the subject of English for the students of class 5 and class 5. Today we are going to read from our workbook. So, before open it, let's recite dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen summa ameen. So, what we are learning today we are going to learn and to do exercises related to simple past tense, as you have learned that what is simple past tense and what does it mean and how to use simple past tense. Today we are going to do related exercises that are given in your workbook on page number 34 and 35. What we are going to do in these exercises, in the first exercise that is given on page number 34, we have to change the basic form to past form, and then we have to put in the sentence that are given below the exercise instruction. In the next exercise, what we will do, we will change the sentences. For example, if there is a sentence given to you that is simple, so you have to change into negative or interrogative. For that, I am telling you further in the video that how to change it and how to make a simple sentence to negative or interrogative sentence. So, I am going to explain both of the exercises. So, listen it carefully. Yes, हमने on page number 34 in your workbook, what we have to do in the first exercise, let's read the instruction. Change these words to the simple past tense and use them in the blanks below. These are the words given to you and you have to change them into past tense, then you have to put in the right blank. For example, I'm reading first one for you. The dog dashed his tail with joy. Now, what a verb we can give it, we can write in this sentence. Let's check out the list. Cost, draw, travel, bite, forget, catch, burst, wag, win, bring. So, which one suits to the dog? Yes, he wagged his tail. So, now here we have to convert, or we have to change the basic form of verb into past tense, and then we have to write in the blank. So, change wag, it's which form we use in the simple past tense? We use second form of verb. So, second form of wag is wagged. So, instead of writing wag, I will write wagged. I will use second form of verb because I am completing simple past tense. So, you have to do this exercise in the same way as I am telling you. The rest of the exercises will be, the rest of the sentences will be done in the same way as I told you the first one. Is it clear? Very good. In the next exercise, read the following sentences carefully, change them into negative or interrogative. This exercise I am explaining you on. So, have a look. Simple past tense हमें क्या शो करता है? वो एक्शन शो करता है जो कि पास्ट में यानी गुजरे हुए वक्त में हुआ हो, ठीक है? वो एक्शन या वो काम. It's clear now. Now look at this. Helping verb. Did. It means कि आपके पास जो सिंपल पास्ट के सेंटेंसेस होंगे उनके अंदर एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज होगा. जैसे हमने प्रेजेंट में पढ़ा है कि उसके अंदर हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होंगे डू एंड डज, डू और डज. So in this tense, there will be a helping verb which is did. It is only the helping verb of simple past tense. Now let's let's move on. Sentence formation or structure. It means कि हमें sentences की formation को देखना है कि when we are going to different types of sentences, so which formation or which structure we have to follow. We have three kinds of sentences here: simple or positive sentences, negative sentence, interrogative sentence. Now they have different formations, so we have to look over it that what are the different structure of these sentences. Let's have number one, simple or positive sentence. इनका सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है? इनका सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है? सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब सेकंड फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। इट मीन्स कि जब हम सेंटेंस बनाएंगे तो हमारा सेंटेंस इस स्ट्रक्चर पे बेस होगा कि हमारे सिंपल पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस के अंदर फर्स्ट हमारा सब्जेक्ट होगा, देन वी विल राइट द सेकंड वर्ब फॉर्म एंड in the last we will write the object. Similarly, the next one, negative sentence. Negative sentences are those sentences which are denying sentences. So its structure is subject plus did plus not plus verb first form plus object, full stop. It means that when we will write negative sentence, we will write subject, we will write did after it, then not, then verb first form, then object. Don't worry, we will make sentences at the last so it will be more clear to you. The last is interrogative sentences. These are questionary sentences. Its structure is did plus subject plus verb first form plus object, question mark. This is the main thing that you have to remember in this thing, that interrogative sentence starts with the helping verb and ends at the question mark. So let's do an example. So I think it will be more clear and easy for you. I'm taking a sentence here. For example, she do her work, full stop. Now I have to make it and convert into simple or positive sentence of simple past tense. So here is a sentence structure. I have to follow it. Now what is the subject in this sentence? She. Very good. She. Then verb. Here is the first form of verb, do. I have to write second form. So what is the second form of do? Very good. Did. She did. Then the rest of the sentence or object will come in the last and full stop. So this is our simple positive sentence of simple past tense. Let's move on further. Then I have negative sentence. I have to make simple past negative sentence. How? I will follow this structure. So in this sentence, I have subject she. Then according to this structure, I have to write did, then not, plus verb first form do, and the rest of the sentence is in the last, her work. Now it becomes she did not do her work. Now interrogative sentence, I have to follow this structure and I am looking at this sentence. So first I will write did according to the sentence structure, then subject, then verb first form which is do, and the sentence her work. In the last I have to put question mark, so it will become cautionary sentence. So did you see that how I converted this sentence into simple past, a simple past, simple sentence, then negative sentence of simple past tense, then interrogative sentence of simple past tense. Remember that thing when you are going to convert or when you are going to write such kind of sentences, it means you are going to write the simple past tense. Using simple past tense, you have to make sentences negative, interrogative or simple sentences. So first thing you have to do, that you have to write its structure, sentence structure on your page, on the rough side as you want. So it will be easy for you when you will going to write the sentence. So that structure will be in front of you and it will helpful for you. So you will not forget that what I have to do. So in this way, when you will do more practice, तो फिर आपको वो चीज याद हो जाएगी. You don't have to write the structure again and again. So this is how we convert, or we use simple past tense, and you have to remember the structures. So it will be easy for you. I hope that you have learned it. So I told you that how to do both the exercises, so I hope that you have learned it. Good. Now start your written task now. I am ending here. If you have any query, you can ask me. Allah Hafiz.